Hi, my name is Padmavarshan Jayasekharan. I am from SKT Samsundram. Our instructor name is Mrs. Tiba Yellappan. Our project title name is Anti-Sleep Save Your Life. Project Anti-Sleep Save Your Life. Accidents are a big issue nowadays. We see the transport on the road transporting the goods over a large distance. Most of the drivers drive days and nights without sleep. Most of them feel sleepy while driving. It is a big issue considering drivers are not fully conscious while driving such as big vehicle. This project will solve the problem. Aim. The primary objective is to develop a reliable system that can accurately detect the driver's eye blink and alert them in a real time when signs of drowsiness are detected. The overall goal is to reduce the incidence of accidents resulting from drivers' fatigue, safeguard lives, and promote safer roadways. Connection. Micro:bit, Rekha-bit, Wi-Fi module, IR sensor. Project design software. Set sound codings. Read pin codings. Telegram notification. Send telegram message codings. Wi-Fi connection. Initialize connect codings. Project design and demo. Rekha-bit, jumper wire, infrared sensor, spectacles, cable, power bank, Micro:bit. Impact. Enhance road safety by reducing the risk of accidents caused by drowsy or fatigued individuals. Improved driver performance can make drivers more aware of their fatigue levels. This increased awareness may promote them to take breaks, rest when need, or avoid driving altogether when they are too tired. Thereby reducing the risk of accidents can help them stay alert during long hours on the road, helping drivers stay focused and attentive on the road. Fewer accidents result in reduced economic costs for the community. Includes lower healthcare expenses, insurance claims, vehicle repair and replacement costs, and potential late fees. Improve public health. The project contributes to better public health by reducing the number of accidents and injuries related to fatigue-driven accidents. Time feedback. Providing real-time feedback to where can help them take immediate action to stay awake, such as taking a break, drinking coffee, or engaging in physical activities. Data collection. The ability to log drowsiness events and collect data over time can be useful for personal health monitoring, for employers to access the sleep patterns and alertness of their employees in safety-critical industries. Conclusion. In conclusion, the anti-sleep eye blink detection system for drivers using IR sensor project has successfully addressed a critical concern in road safety, driver fatigue and drowsiness. This project has demonstrated its potential to significantly mitigate the risk associated with drowsy driving. Thank you.